In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your X.com or Twitter account step by step. If you're planning to take a break from the platform, reduce your screen time, or simply want to close down your account for now, this guide will walk you through the exact process in the easiest way possible. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open X and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to deactivate. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the More option, which appears as the three dots icon in the navigation menu. Click on that to open the additional menu options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This is here X keeps all of your account and privacy controls, including the option to deactivate your account. Once you're inside the settings menu, go to Your Account. Inside this section, you'll see several account-related options, and one of them will be Deactivate Your Account. Click on that option to continue. At this point, X will show you some important information about deactivation. Take a moment to read through the details carefully, so you understand what happens when your account is deactivated. This usually includes information about account visibility, reactivation, and what happens if you decide not to log back in. After reviewing everything, click Deactivate. The platform may then ask you to confirm your identity by entering your password. This is a normal security step, so type in your password carefully and make sure it's correct. Once that's done, click Deactivate Account to finalize the process. And that's it. Your X.com or Twitter account is now deactivated. If you ever change your mind, you may have a limited time to reactivate it by signing back in, so keep that in mind before you make your final decision. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.